Yeah, it's live on YouTube right now. So I have this short level 40.33 and first one I mean 40.27. Second one is 40.33.35 like that. This one is a volume profile. It's like helper, not the main indicator for any trade for me. Let me come back to each one. Yeah, nice straight push into the zone. So possible, yeah. For a, yeah, nice one. I'm just gonna take it. Why not? Yeah, price coming to buy zone. Uh, 3999. But right now, currently, which buy? If you mean 40, if you mean, yeah, 4,000, it's a little bit risky right now. Why? Because of the timing. Timing is wrong for this one. Just Monday, New York middle. It will be good at end of the session, but not now. That's why I'm gonna wait. If you ask me what the direction, best direction right now is with trend. So this is a high risk currently. I'm not gonna give it in VIP because it's high risk. From my view, I want this one be breached to go with lower one. Lower one is 39.83 or 75. Of course, today end of the session, 75 will be perfect, nice shot for sure. Right now, timing is wrong for me. But if we get some retracement, definitely it's a nice juicy zone. This one I mean. Distance also 28 pips. With 50 pips stop loss, it will be banger. So let's just wait, guys. Yeah, this one is risky. I'm not gonna. Especially price making some pullback here. You see, it's already 30 pips. Unlikely it will be missed. You know. Yeah, it's missed definitely. So I delete. It's not of interest for me right now. And I'm interested in this big area. Yeah, it's a nice buy sell zone, sorry. Let me check H1. Yeah, also H1. Price is just a second. Yeah, I guess it's gonna be breached. As I said, it was risky first of all, and secondary, it was missed, clearly missed. Wow, you see? 4018. Yeah, listen to guys who has some experience. You see, if you jump here, it's 57 pips drawdown. That's why I removed it, because it was missed here. 4012. Yeah, we come back. I think it was simple liquidity sweep for sure. Yeah, not bad, good. I need to set pending on my personal account. Четыре ноль 4.5. And stop loss is 600 pips. Yep, done. We're ready for our short. I think Portugal fans just closed the stream, you know. Yeah, it was nice TP for the morning for sure. Let me just show you, where is it? Here, it's 50 FIP and level breaker test. I'm trading pullbacks, not momentum trading. Unfortunately, I didn't find any confirmation for short from the on London session, at London Open, I mean. to attempt to short anything. That's why I just got pullback from 40.25, almost at London middle, but past middle. Yeah, this was simple 50 FIP and level break retest. My entry is a little bit from middle, not from here, from middle. Why? Because from here, my risk, this one will be my risk. It's not enough for me. You know, let me show you. I mean, if I go from here, right? If I go from here, my stop loss will be like that. And my room for breathe is just 20 pips. You see? But I won from here. Look, this one much better. Yeah, but in this type of sniper trading, is a high chance of missing the trade. It's tricky, but sometimes it's frustrating, yeah, but I think it's perfect when you can catch sniper trade with a minimum 0 drawdown. That's why my stop loss always 50 pips with 2-3 R trades. As long as today's buy from 40.25 was a clean 3 R trade. And Friday I gave also. Friday I gave, let me just show you. Let me show you 15 minutes what I gave on Friday. What is it? Yeah, it was here. It was here, it was this triangle on 5 minutes. You see, I wanted price to touch, then breach, break, retest, and then push. But it's breached without me and went without me, unfortunately. Yeah, sometimes it's frustrating, but again, it's super safe. Super safe and super efficient than having, 100 pips or 100, 150 pips stop loss. What the reason? I don't understand. Yeah, why not? Currently, this one is 15 minutes. 5 minutes also looks good. Right now, I see EMA here. EMA here is, for me, it's me that price just can test this one at 61 FIP, especially. Which trade I had in VIP. Let me show you. Just a second. Price is 40.25, 40.27, like that. I can't give you exact entry price. I just can give you the range where I'm interested. Yeah. Because my TikTok on band, you know, because of the music. First of all, I can hear the music, especially on YouTube also. But giving the exact price will ban me more, so no reason to do that. You can check exact price yourself, brother. Just watch the market. Watch the screen. That's all what you need to do. You're in shorts, bro? No. Unfortunately, I missed nice short. I'm not missed. I'm just didn't find any confirmation at the where at the London Open. You see, I wanted to test higher. Let me show you. I wanted. I had this zone, this box. Then breached. I was waiting break retest of this zone, but it's not happened. It's just retested from here. So yeah, this one was simple liquidity sweep for sure. We are in a trade. Let's see what we can get from it. Price, yeah, 50 pip. Yeah, but possible reaction can be from 61. This one? Yeah, price reacted exactly from 400, from this level. For me, it was tricky. That's why I didn't take it. I don't like how it moves right now. Possible drawdown I can expect until 61 pip, 61 pip and EMA. Where's mouse? Size of move is 27. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, of course. Currently, this screen is 5 minute. Yeah, it's just my price area of interest. As I told already, I can't give exact price. What is it? Pam, pam, pam. Not yet. Middle of US is a very, very risky time right now, you know? And of course, we have volume a little bit higher. This is a problem. This zone is lower. Started from the bottom, number whole TV. Let me check 15 minute. By the way, to be honest, the XE right now a little bit against us. Silver. Silver, not bad for sure. Shoo. Price right now at some nice psychological level and breaker test and 50 feet. So let's see what we can get from that information. Started from the bottom. By the way, Portugal can't out from to playoff. Very boring and uncertainty market right now. Not bad. Yeah, possible drawdown. I've expected until 61 feet. That is also EMA. Tomorrow I don't know, will I stream or not, because tomorrow end of the month it's very low liquidity market. Tomorrow end of June also. Yeah, tomorrow is, let me just check. When we have triple wish day? Triple wish day, if I'm not wrong, in June, right? I think it was previous Friday. It was June 19. So no, I was wrong. Tomorrow is not. Ooh. No. Yeah, right now it looks a little bit, to be honest, risky for sure. But patience, guys, patience. Everything what we can do now is just sit and wait. No, even if I get some loss today, I'm okay because I had already 4 hour trade from the morning. So my risk is covered by 4. By 3, sorry, it was TP3, not TP4. No, I'm not trading on Vantage. I'm looking for some cooperation right now with some prop. I'm not gonna tell you right now which prop is it, but let me just do like that. Close some position at, no, 30%. TP1 will be 600. It's percent 30. 600. Anyone in or not? Except my VIP members. Yeah, now it's looking very good for me. 5 minutes for me look very good. Let me check. 15 minutes, not bad. But you know what I don't like? I don't like this big, fat, bullish candle. I don't like it. But let's see. Yes, why not? My TP1 is around 4018.5. TP2 is 4012.5. As usual, TP1 60 pips, 120 pips in one and 180 pips in total. I mean 3R. Yep, we're running in profit. We're running in profit. Let me show you. I don't know, bro. I'm just giving free trades. Look here. You see? If I turn on the music, I will be banned, I'm sure, on YouTube. Hi. Currently riding along from 4017 from here. You just entered after this candle closure, right? I can understand why it's lagging too much. It's lagging around 1, 2, 3. Ah, no. Yeah, I need a little bit. Hi, bro. I need a little bit else. My trade was like that. Ow. Where are you moving? Yep, it was like that. And TP1 is 1418.5 here. Up. Let me just mark it. TP1 and TP2, if anyone's still in, just for your information. TP1 here, and TP2 is 4012.5. Yeah, it's here. Nice trade. 60, 60. Hey, why I removed the trend line? Sorry. 4018.5. Yeah, here. Like that, guys. Running my average. 5. Tonight. We gonna hit TP1 soon. I believe that it will hit. Why not? Let me just put it on my IC market account. It's a little bit difficult, you know, to trade on 3 accounts. 2 personal and 1 prop. 1 personal on Fortune Prime, 1 personal on IC market, and 1 prop on FTMO. TP1 will be at 6600. Now remove. TP1 is 600, like that. TP2 120, like that. And TP3 is 1. Done. Just need to wait, guys. Just need to wait. Yeah, it was short from 50 fib and key level. Very simple trade. I talked about it a lot of the time. Yeah, right now running 50 pips profit. Yeah, perfect. TP1 hit. Let me just close faster. 0.8. Partially taken. Here also. Done. Blah. Wow. Yeah, now it's absolutely done. TP1, I mean. My life. It was absolutely free. Yeah, of course. I mean, let me show you. How to show you, I don't know. Do you see the entry price? No. It's real account. And stop loss, I move my stop loss a little bit lower. Now I'm gonna wait TP2, and final TP for me is 4006.5, guys. And my advice to you, just keep 10% running position. It will be runner for further drop, of course. I always leave runner size. Close. I personally close always 30% of TP1, another 30% of TP2, and another 30% on TP3, and I always leave 10% runner. You know, because runner can cover all other your future buys. For example, buy from here, buy from here. You know. But somebody close everything. It just depends from you. Because for me, you know, TP1 for me is always 1 RR. I'm not taking TP1 as usual traders, for example, less than 1 RR. I don't see any reason to take that. 1 R is a risk-free trade from 1 R. And best decision is, of course, 2 R, 3 R, 4 R. Really waiting lower to buy where? I don't know which buy you mean, bro. You didn't send in the VIP. What? Are you kidding? Why I'm not send it in VIP? Let me show you. I don't know in which VIP you are. Let me show you. Pop. Do you see that? Up like that. Look at this. You say I didn't send that? What is it? What is it? Exact price, exact stop loss, exact TP1, TP2, and TP3. So I think you are in some wrong VIP, right? $39.90. Which one? $39.90. What is there? Just let me check. Now, nice zone is 39.83, bro. 83. I don't have anything from 39.90. But maybe 5 minute. No, I mean 15 minute. No, bro, there is nothing for me. Only 39.83. And of course, I want straight push inside. TP2 is 12.5. TP2. On both of the rest, no. Just on one of them. Yeah, we took just TP1. TP1, and I think remaining can be closed at break-even right now. And we can get break-even in total. Of course, I wanted bigger reaction, sharper reaction, but no. When H1, wow. H1 showing big fat pin bar, to be honest. Bullish, I mean. Is right now a good entry point, or of course no. It's already did TP1. After TP1, I'm not interested in any and taking position again, I mean. If I kicked you from my VIPs, it means that you're not how to say. I have rules how to be in my VIP. It means that you don't match my rules. First one was trade with me on my broker. It means that you're not trading with me on my broker. Yeah, we got just TP1 from here. I remove it. And next one. Where is my... What do we have next? Next. I think much better to check H1. This one, I'm not interested in this zone anymore. Move it back. This one like that. So next one is this area. And if we check FIB, wow, not bad. Not bad. Yeah, even 76 FIB is nice, you see, but right now I have just levels. Level. Of course, matching with some FIB can do that more clear. By the way, yeah, your third position should be open right now. In worst case, you will get total break even. Well, had not hit yet. So if you are still in the trade, just hold it. Because I have just one position left. In worst case, I will be at break even. Yes, I mean you should open 3 positions. First position, all 3 positions has same stop loss, right? 50 pips. So TP from first position should be at 1R. It's your TP1. TP of second position at TP2. TP3 of your third position at 3R, you know? So when price hit your TP1, stop loss from second trade put at break even. Stop loss of third position unchanged, you know? So when price hit TP2, your second position will be closed, right? And in this case, stop loss of third position move at break even. Because when you hit just TP1 and then price breaches, in total it will be break even. But if you get nice momentum trade, you will get around 3-4R RR from your risk. This risk management is much better when you have just one, especially when you trade just one RR. It's nothing. It's not interesting. Right now, look at this. Look here. This is a big fat pin bar. It was some kind of liquidity sweep, I think. Liquidity sweep from big round number. But my fault that I didn't buy from 4,000 because it was nice. 50 pips move inside, but timing. It was wrong timing, so no regret. Let's wait further. Ай, блядь. What? I'm Bri after TP2. Bro, you analyzed gold and it's going up? Okay, bro. Thank you for your analyze and for your information. I'm not trading, you know, buy or sell, buy or sell. That's why my risk reward is 3, 4, and something like that, with tiny stop loss. Because I'm not trading directions. It's going up, it's going down. I don't give a fuck where it will go, you know. Ah, what happened? Sorry. Fucker. Ёбаный TikTok, блядь. Yeah, why not? What you mean UTC +1? Yeah, and as I was saying, I'm not trading directions. For example, buy or sell like that. I'm just trading pullback and clean momentum trading. When I see some nice push, then I can trade, but not all the time. Yeah, of course. I don't know what happened with TikTok. It's telling me that it was because of inactivity. By the way, this level is overused already, and if you are still in the trade, you should have one running position. I just have one running position for sure. You see, because second one was close to break even. So third position is still running. Like that. Don't worry, brother. Our 1 day loss, 4 day profit. Which loss? I've been trading 8 years already. Which loss you got? I can't understand. Because we are in profit. Already 2 trades today. One trade hit clean TP3. And this buy running, still running. Yep. Yeah, just keep it. Yes, of course. Just keep it if you still have a running position. So for me, next buy is 39.83.85 area with backup at 39.75. Let me show you. I hope you see that, right? Yep. I'm gonna buy from next buy zone for me is this one, like that. This area of interest, definitely, and this one. Yeah, nice. SH1. We are back on 15-minute and back to 5-minute. Looks like price and some consolidation right now, and I'm expecting move. Let me check trading view. Trading view reacting from zone, but still in the zone. There are no. It's 5-minute, bro. Yeah, it's exponential moving average, bro. Yes, of course. Right now we hit just TP1, waiting TP2. No, sorry, waiting TP3, already TP3 because second position of TP2 was close at break even. Yes, of course. No. I think price dead. It's not moving anymore. Anyone jumped with 001 lot right now, and all market makers don't know what to do right now with this spending. Twitch, which live stream channel do you have the most followers? Yeah, I see that it's gonna push slower right now. Yeah, I see that silver pushing lower. Wow, what is this out? El Chapo. Why? Because silver pushing. Silver pushing and hola, ya compera. Hola, ya compré la manguera en un momento me dirijo para la casa. Bueno, bueno, amigo. Fucking TikTok, блядь. Yeah, of course. No, no, no. Look here. Let me show you. Hack USD, El Chapo. Yeah, by the way, I have short pending short as 63.45. El Chapo. What I wanted to show you. Yeah, look at H1. You see, it's silver H1 currently. You see, it's pushing. It's pushing for me to sign that gold also will push. Let me check DXY. Yeah, DXY is also pushing a little bit higher, so high chance of gold also will push lower. I want at least 4012.5. 4012.5, I think. Wow, look at this EMA touch. What a nice EMA touch. You see? Perfect EMA touch. Yeah, and it's also a 61 FIB. Will be good. I'm just gonna mark it like that. I remind that I'm still in short. Where is it? Copy past. I move it here. Give it to me. It's TP2. El Chapo. Yeah, at this level, I will move my stop loss from third position and break even. I still have running third position. In worst case, I'll get break even. It's simple risk management, guys. To first of all, to save your capital. Second one is to double and triple your capital. Oh. Yes, of course. I don't know, fucking TikTok was doing something. You say sell. Yes, of course, I said sell. I said sell when price was here. And it did TP1, quick TP1, still running. And second position was closed already. Of course. No. But I guess, to be honest, that we will get totally break even. Why? Because I don't like this fat bullish candle. Look at this. You see? This is a fat bullish pin bar. I don't like it. But let's see, who knows? I don't know, it's already, I think, third or fourth account on TikTok, because every time I'll be banned for them because I can tell the price, you know. That's why I can't tell you exact price. TikTok ban for that. I can't vape on stream, you know. Currently 25. I have a level at 40, 44 and 40, 51. If we go straight inside here, it will be of interest. Let me just move it. AOI like that. We have some range, I mean, not nice. That's not good for us. This area is not interested. This one is already breaker test zone, but this one is a volume profile. Yeah, of course. Yes, of course. Just wait. You know, you don't need 50 trades in a day. You can get just 1, 2 nice trades in a day. Just count in how many it will be in the week, right? Yeah, of course. Just a second, guys. Yeah, price still in. We are still in this trade. I'm just waiting for the direction. It looks dead. You see, it's not moving up, neither down. So Yeah, to be honest, El Chapo. This one, it's mate, it's not tea. It's some, yeah, I don't know how to explain it, but all Argentinians like to drink that. It's relaxing. Yeah, of course. Sorry guys for ban TikTok because I don't know, I'm already a little bit tired from that. Tomorrow I'll fix it and everything will be good again. Yeah, of course. I think we will get TP2 now. As if you remember, TP2 is 4012.5. Sorry guys, I just can't smoke on camera. El Chapo. Yes, I'm in sell, but I'm already took TP1. As long as I'm already took TP1, second position was closer break even. I have right now only one position running TP until TP3. When my third position will hit 4012.5, it's my original TP2. I'll move my stop loss at break even and will wait full TP3. Let me show you again. Which EMA do you use? It's very powerful EMA, brother. I give all information in my educational channel. Not here, because I can't give it. My TikTok already banned. If I start to give other financial advices or prices, it will be banned more. I'm already tired from this one. So, anyone in short or not? By the way, this zone also some kind of, do you see that or not? Why it's so low? Just a second. I just can't understand why it's so low. Yeah, I think this is much better like that. Yeah. Just hide the price. Oh, smaller and done. Yeah, I think now it's much better. Yeah, we're approaching TP2. TP2 is 4012.5. It's here. But first of all, we need to break this one. When we break this one, break retest will be nice, especially if 15-minute will breach. No, 15-minute don't want to breach yet. So let's wait. Yeah, it looks more bearish right now. It looks bearish, more bearish, yeah. TP3, if from where? If you're asking TP3 from my trade, it's 40.06 here at 40.06. Let me just take this note, copy, right? Copy paste. This one is full TP. Hey, fuck off. I'm talking with the TikTok app, TikTok stream, because it's 40.06.5. Yeah, this is my full TP, and TP2 is 4012. Блять. TP2 4012.5, like that. Look, and just let's wait. My position was let me show you again. Let me show that on YouTube. By the way, why I'm not showing it? I'm not showing it here. Захват. Режим studio, right? And here we should add this one. Yeah, I just want to show you what I'm showing in Telegram. Yes, I want to show that on YouTube, for YouTube also. Yeah, you see now? It was yeah, now you see that. My entry was, by the way, first of all, let me show first trade, which was given. Yeah, this one was a very frustrating trade because our entry was at 56. Where is it? Okay, but it was missed, and now running $50 in profit. But this trade was this one, 40.26. You see, it worked. No, it worked from the morning. It worked here, 40.26, and did 250 pips. Second trade was short from this one, from 40.24.5. It's this one, 40.24.5, the stop loss with TP, and TP1 was hit already very quick. Then TP2 at 40.12.5 is here. You see price still struggling, so I have just one position left. And in worst case, I will be at break even. Param pam pam pam. In this, some kind of in this some kind of awful market. We're trying to catch some nice pips. Yeah, of course. Yes. No, I can't. Very boring market. It's not moving. Why when I sit to streaming, it's start to range always. All as usual. Yeah, of course. Let me check. Yeah, nice reaction from 50 FIB. I don't like it. Yeah. No, it's 5 minute goal. We're waiting some development. Nothing happening right now. We are still in short. Huh? Zai? I don't know, buy or sell, bro. Just wait. Wait my further call. I can say you anything. Next area is marked up already here. And possible here, but we need straight push. Just a second, guys, I'll come back in a minute. Opa. Well, guys, I think we are done for today. So I can I can stream with her, right? So we are still in range. I will send other trades in. I will send other trades in my view. So see you tomorrow, right? Okay. And if you have any questions, then don't hesitate and ask me. I will ask everything. So yeah, I'm still in. I'm still in short. I'm still in short from 4024. Присади, пожалуйста. Вот так. Сидеть. TP2 is 4012.5 and full TP 4006, bro. Yeah, just message me. I will stop loss. Which stop loss? From this one, stop loss is 4030.5. But be careful because I took already TP1. I'm just waiting full TP. Yeah, I continue tomorrow, but right now I'll continue trading in VIP, guys. So see you tomorrow.